So for this, we have to write this in what we call slope. And this might help you guys a little bit. I saw you guys doing lots of calculations. Slope, intercept, form. Where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Now, what was funny is that I watched, and you'll get the same answer. So essentially, the answer is y equals m, which is 3/2, times x, plus b, which is positive 4. But you guys are kind of in this mode, right? So and you'll get the same answer. So I'm going to do it both ways. Since you guys did the long way, I'll do the long way too. As I was walking around, I was really happy to see this. I saw a lot of people trying to figure out. the XY value for this. So I saw a lot of graphs drawn on people's paper, and I even saw 0, 4, right? So that's good because this would be your x1, y1, right? In other words, x sub 1 was equal to 0, y sub 1 was equal to 4, okay? So when you plug and chug, you're going to say y minus y sub 1, which is 4, is equal to 3/2 times the quantity x minus 0. Well, x minus 0 is just x. So over here, we're going to distribute that through. You should get 3/2 times x. Over here, you've got 4 being subtracted from y. If I want to move that 4 away, what do I have to do? Add 4 to both sides. Now, there's nothing to add 4 to over here. I suppose you could say plus 0 over here if it makes you feel better. And then you get y is equal to 3/2 times x plus 4. Okay. How many of you guys got that answer? Yeah? Okay. How many of you guys did it the long way and then saw that when I did it the short way, it was like, oh, darn you, Mr. Adams? That's okay.